Come, come, taste this delicious biryani.
Just then, two men walked up to him.
What? Biryani for 10 rupees only? Yes, sir, just 10 rupees per plate.
With instruments, a crowd gathered around his stalls, and old man came to the front.
Son, give me a plate too. I haven't eaten for days. If you feed me, you'll earn a lot of blessings. Hey, you old man, I already earned my share of blessings. That's why I'm standing here. If I had sinned, I would be rich by now. Move aside. Give me a plate too, brother.
Mangu served biryani to all the customers standing there.
Wow, this biryani is really tasty. Absolutely. For 10 rupees, this is really good. I think I'll eat every day here.
Two customers finished eating.
Here you go, brother. So, that will be 60 rupees each. What? 60 rupees? It clearly says 10 rupees per plate. Here it is written. That's right. 10 rupees for the plate. But the biryani you ate inside cost 50 rupees. So, you have to pay for that too. But this is cheating.
Two more customers fall into this same tracks that change everyone's, and this ways he earns thousands of rupees for that day.
This is called business. 10 rupees plate.
In the same village, there was a man named Mahesh who lived with his family. He earns through labors with his wife, who was Nabini, runs the house with her mother-in-law. One day, it happens true that Mahesh was returning homes, and he met this same old man.
Son, please get me some biryani from Mangru. I am very hungry.
Seeing the old man's face, Mahesh laughed pitiful.
Okay, Baba. Come, I'll get you biryani.
Mahesh asked Mangu to give the old man a plate of biryani.
Here is your 10 rupees. Hey, give 50 more. 50 more? It's 10 rupees per plate, right? Yes, but the biryani inside the plate costs 50 rupees. Wow, what a great trick to cheat people.
Mahesh gave him 50 rupees more.
God bless you, son.
Mahesh reached home.
Take this, Nandini.
Oh, this is just 240 rupees. Did you earn less today?
Mahesh told her everything.
No worries. You helped an old man. God will bless you. Otherwise, even I have made biryani for you today.
I'll eat biryani for the first time. And that too, made by you.
Nandini served him food, and as soon as Mahesh tasted the biryanis, he liked it so much.
Wow, Nandini. Your biryani smells and tastes amazing.
Thank God you liked it. I was so nervous.
The next day, while Mahesh was returning back from work, he met the old man again, and he again bought him biryanis with his owner's monies. One day, while unloading the six farms trucks, something happened.
Hey, come! Mahesh's leg is broken!
Mahesh was taken to the doctors immediately. Nandini and her mother came crying.
What happened to you?
Please don't cry, Nandini, or I'll break more. He won't walk for a while. With treatment, he'll recover in 3 months. You need to take care of him. If I can't work, how will we earn? How will we pay for treatment? I'm feeling clueless for my future.
Don't worry. God will surely show us some way.
Nandini both Mahesh homes and then started thinking.
What work can I do to earn and treat Mahesh too? Can't see any way out.
After thinking of a while, she recalls how Mahesh had loved the biryanis that she had cooked and appreciated it so without any delay, she puts up a box of
Oh
biryani.
God, I have put up this booth selling biryani in 10 rupees. Please help me selling this.
Two customers came then.
Hey brother, one more 10 rupees biryani. Yes, now she'll say 10 rupees but charge 60 rupees like Mangru. What a way to fool people.
No, sir. My plate is full for 10 rupees only. I don't cheat.
Are you serious? So you'll offer us biryani in just 10 rupees?
Yes, sir.
Hearing this, the crowds gathered around every stall.
Give me one plate biryani, one for me too.
Yes, sir. Serving it.
Nandini quickly serves biryanis to all of them, and everyone enjoyed her tasty biryani.
Her biryani is tastier than Mangru's. I really loved her biryani.
At this time, Mangoos also arrived, but no one take biryanis from Mangoos. Everyone was taking biryanis from Nandini only.
Foolish woman. She'll lose money. She'll cry tonight. Like this, she won't even recover her cost. Definitely. She would be in great loss today. And then from tomorrow, she don't dare to be here with biryani.
By the afternoon, Nandini's biryani was about to finish.
Biryani is just about to finish. Thank God, everyone liked it so much. I was so nervous. And then some more people came to her stall.
Give us one more plate each.
Sir, I won't be able to serve you all. The biryani is just about to finish.
And the old man came to her.
Daughter, give me some biryani. I'm hungry and I have no money. Can you help me, please?
No problem, Baba. You don't need to pay.
Nandini gives a plate of biryani to the old man.
The rest will go to whoever gets it.
Saying this, Nandini started serving biryanis one by one to all, but then a miracle happens. Do she was serving biryanis to everyone. The pots was never emptied.
Why isn't this biryani finishing? A few minutes ago it seemed it is about to finish, but it looks more than before.
How much biryani did she cook? It's still going on. This is strange.
Seeing Nandini's confused, the old man was smiling mysterious as if he knew some things. Nandini earns well that day and then returns back home, seeing so much money that Nandini had earned. Mahesh and his mother were so happy.
Look, Mahesh, I earned so much today.
All this from 10 rupee biryani? How is it possible?
Yes, Mahesh, even I am surprised. After putting the costs back, I still earned 3,000 rupees extra.
That's great.
Now the next day, Nandini again put up her biryani stalls, and the first one to arrive was the old man, and then the crowds followed.
What? She came again? Didn't lose anything?
Nandini now put up her stalls dailies and dailies fades. The old man's and her biryanis did finish by the end of the days. She started earning well. Mangoes got jealous of seeing all this. One day, an old woman was passing by maintenance stalls, and suddenly she heard her back.
Oh God. Oh God. What happened, Amma?
Nandini went to the old woman to help her out, and meanwhile Mongoose went to her stalls, taking a box, and then he poured the whole of the box into Nandini's biryani.
Now, she'll never sell again.
And he came back to his stalls. Nandini also came back to her stalls after helping the old woman sat in a staged afters. Sometimes all those who had eaten Nandini's biryanis felt a sharp stomach pains. Around 12 people went to doctors complaining of the stomach pains.
Oh, it hurts badly. That's strange. So many with stomach pain.
The doctors gave medicines to all of them and they felt relieved and then mongoose came there.
So, friends, you enjoyed biryani, huh? What do you mean? It is all because of that cheap biryani what Nandini sells. If you could have my biryani, you won't feel this pain since I use best ingredients. Yes, Mangru is right. We all ate her biryani, that's why we are suffering from this pain. Yes, let's go to Nandini's house together.
All of them gathered and went to Nandini house.
Nandini, your biryani made us sick.
No, that's not possible. I use the best rice in my biryani.
No, she is lying. Let's complain to the king. Then only she'll accept her fault.
Hearing all this, Nandini got scared. They immediately went to the temple springs to God. She says,
God, I made this biryani available to everybody at such low price because I wanted to help them. You know that I am not wrong. Please save my honor in front of the Maharaj.
the old man was listening nearby. Nandini's now mongoose along with all the other people reached the place.
You all can't go inside together. Only 2 persons are allowed. Okay, I'll go with 1 person. And if king agrees, I'll call all of you.
Mongoose entered the palace with one man.
Long live the king! Tell me, what is the issue?
And then the old man too entered the palace and started watching everything.
Your Majesty, many in our village got sick by having a cheap 10 rupee biryani. The quality of biryani is very poor. Well, this man will tell you in detail. Your Majesty, we all got sick from the biryani we had in just 10 rupees. We were not aware that what we were having is not good for our health.
Mongoose felt happy hearing this.
Tell me the name of that culprit who served such bad quality biryani to all of you. Your Majesty, he's the person, Mangru, because of whom we all are sick.
Everyone was shocked hearing this. Mongoose too were very surprised.
Hey, what are you saying? You all fell sick because of eating 10 rupees biryani of Nandini, not mine. No, Nandini's biryani is delicious. It's all you who serve bad quality biryani. How dare you? Your Majesty, let me call someone else who will tell you the real story.
On Mongoose insisted king's cards everyone's
Your Majesty, he is the one, Mangru, who served us bad quality biryani. Oh God, what is happening? Mangru, I sentence you for 1 month jail. Oh no!
Mongoose was put into the jails and the next day a crowd gathered around Nandini house.
Nandini ji, please come outside. Nandini, why these people are here at our house?
Eating my biryani, many people have fallen sick. So probably they want to hand me over to the Maharaj.
Oh my God!
How can they blame you for all this? Come with me. I'll talk to them.
Now they both steps out.
Look, I know you all have been troubled, but please believe me, I never did anything that made you sick. My biryani was fine.
Hearing this, everyone looked at each other and a man said, Nandini ji.
Nandini ji, we all fell sick because of that Mangru's biryani. And yes, king had also punished him.
What? Really?
Yes, and we all are here to request you that please place your cart back again for biryani so that we can enjoy delicious 10 rupee biryani.
Hearing this, Nandini smiles and then she resumes her business. She starts cooking biryanis again and there's Mongoose could not understand what actually happens.
I don't understand how this all happened.
And then the old man appeared.
Those who perform good deeds and ready to help others. Always stay happy and blessed. How? How did you come here? Are you the one who did all this? It is the God who saved Nandini. I am just a medium. Nothing much.
From that day, Nandini's business flourished very much. She opened her restaurants, and from that money, she got Mahesh treatment properly. In a few days, Mahesh recovered, and then they both started running their 10 rupees biryani shops happily.